Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the basics won't block an update. Confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection, your Google account is signed in, and you have at least 1 to 2 GB free. Once done, go straight to Settings, open Apps, and locate Google Play Store. Don't pause. Open the Play Store app details to view its version and the update button if present. You're starting the process now so the system can check for and download any available Play Store update. Next, you'll force the Play Store to refresh by clearing and resetting relevant apps. Go to each app's storage settings and clear cache and data for Google Play Store and Google Play services. If the update button isn't visible, choose Uninstall Updates to revert temporarily. After that, reboot the Android TV so background services restart cleanly. This often makes the Play Store check for itself and download the latest build. Make sure to wait for the TV to fully power back up before opening the store again. Finish by opening the Play Store and allowing it a few minutes to update itself and any pending apps. You should see the version change in app details. Also check Settings right arrow about right arrow system update to ensure your TV OS is current, because Play Store updates sometimes depend on system firmware. If the Play Store still won't update, sign out of your Google account, reboot the TV, and sign back in. That single troubleshooting move often forces a fresh sync and resolves persistent update hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.